हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल।
जैसे कि आप सब जानते हैं टीचर्स डे बहुत ही पास है और इस साल भी हम टीचर्स डे सेलिब्रेट करने वाले हैं
वर्चुअली।
हालांकि ऋत्वी बहुत सारी जगह पे स्कूल री ओपन हो चुके हैं बट हमारी स्कूल अभी तक री ओपन नहीं हुई है। इस साल भी हम टीचर्स डे सेलिब्रेट करने वाले हैं वर्चुअली। तो आज एक नहीं ऐसे
15 आइडियाज हम शेयर करने वाले हैं जिससे आप ये टीचर्स डे भी सेलिब्रेट कर सकते हो वर्चुअली।
सो
लेट्स स्टार्ट।
So Ritvi, what idea do you have? How are you going to celebrate Teachers Day virtually?
A teacher writes in black and white, though he brings color to everyone's life. Yes, Mom, I have thought not only one idea but 15 such ideas to celebrate this Teachers Day virtually, which I would like to share with all of my friends. So, idea number 1, a haiku or a poem.
Haiku. Can you give an example? What is haiku?
Yes, Mom, I can give a short example of what a haiku is. Haiku is a 3-line poem like, man of sincere love, great source of true knowledge, he is a teacher, is a short haiku on a teacher.
Wow, that's great and new one.
Yes.
And what about poem?
Thank you, teacher, for reaching deep in me to find all I can be before I can see it myself. You never gave up on me. I have a better future only because of you. Thank you, teacher.
Wow, that was a great poem.
Thank you.
So poem you can recite for your teacher, make a video or write on a paper and email it, send to her on WhatsApp or any social media because we are celebrating Teachers Day virtually. So now comes idea number 2.
Virtual or e-greeting card. You can always create a virtual or a e-greeting card on your phones or laptops. It is very simple and easy to make. You can download it and email it to your teacher or share it on any social media platform.
Wow, that is an easy idea.
Yes, it is.
So now idea number
3. Collage making. You can make collage for your teachers online and it is very simple. Here are some examples.
These are very great ideas, Ritvi. You can paste a picture of your teacher in the center and you can make a collage of a classroom photograph like that. So this is a great idea. Even a little kid can also make this and this is a memorable one also. So I personally love this collage making idea. And here are some examples which I have already shown you. So you can create your own collage. Now comes idea number 4.
One-line gratitude from each student. You can say one-line gratitude or a thank you line for your teacher in the virtual class, or you can always type it in the chat box. For example,
I am going to say one gratitude for our teacher. This is an example. You can create your own one or search anything new on Google. So it is, thank you teacher for guiding us, for inspiring us, for making us what we are today.
it was a really great example, Mimi. Now, let's move on to idea number 5. Send a gift to your teacher. You can send a gift to your teacher by posting it, or you can always send an online gift to your teacher.
Here are some examples what kind of gift you can give to your teacher and surprise her. So now idea number
6. Drawing for teachers. For small kids who are shy of telling something for the teacher in the classroom, you can always show your love and affection towards the teacher by drawing it and clicking a photo and sharing it on any social media platform, or always you can email her.
Yes, it is indeed a very easy, creative and how much you love your teacher to show it. It is a lovely idea.
You can see the reference in the Teachers Day playlist on our channel.
Yes, do check it out. Now comes idea number
7.
Now comes acrostics. It is indeed a very easy idea to do acrostic, and it is very fun also. So you can do acrostics on your teacher's name as we have done in our last year's video, or you can do acrostics on the word teacher.
For example, T for thoughtful, E for energetic, A for amazing, C for caring, H for helpful, E for encouraging, R for responsible, teacher. So let's move on to idea number 8. Idea number 8 is a presentation. We can create a PPT presentation for the teachers on this Teachers Day. You can always show how you love her by adding images, writing your gratitude, your feelings towards the teacher in that presentation and sharing it to the teacher. For example, I have made one presentation to share with you all.
Wow, this is a great presentation, Rukvi.
Thank you.
So now let's move on to our another idea number
9. Quotes. You can always write down quotes, 3 to 4 quotes on a beautiful piece of paper and give it a beautiful border. For border, you can see our border playlist on this channel, and you can always roll the paper up, tie with the ribbon and send it to your teacher.
Wow, this is another easy and great idea, and reading the quotes, teacher will really feel the affection that you feel for her. So now comes idea number
10.
Badge making competition. You can create a badge for your teacher. For example, here are some pics which I am sharing, like number 1 teacher, world's best teacher, or whatever you feel like for your teacher. You can make trophies also for her. You can refer this on Arty Crafty channel Teachers Day playlist for such great ideas.
Wow, Mom. This idea is very creative and beautiful. You can show your affection to the teacher by doing badge making competition also.
You can gift her, or you can click a photograph and send to her on email or on any social media which she is on. So this will be really very great idea to gift a teacher virtually. Now comes idea number 11.
Poster making competition or poster making. You can create a poster with the help of chart paper, and you can show your creative skills of poster making. You can always shoot a video or just click a photo of your poster and send it to your teacher on any social media platform, or you can always mail it to her.
Wow, this is another great idea. But I request parents to shoot the video of kids making this poster drawing and send it to the teacher. So teacher would really love them and see how much kids love them too. So now let's move on to another idea, that is idea number 12.
Send a message to the teacher in the chat box during the virtual meet.
Wow, this is a great idea.
You can send a message to your teacher in the chat box all at the same time. Someone can write Happy Teacher's Day or I love you ma'am, because you can write your feelings about the teacher after because, and when you all send it in the same time in the chat box, the teacher will be so happy to see all of your comments in the chat box.
And she will really get surprised on this Teacher's Day. I love this idea, and you should all decide with your friends that on what time you are going to send this message on Teacher's Day.
Yes.
So now comes idea number 13.
email. It is another great idea for shy people or just another idea for people who want to share your message to the teacher personally. You can write your thoughts, thankfulness or gratitude to the teacher in your email and send it to her. It is simple and creative idea.
This is a great idea and easy too. Teacher will really feel very warm by receiving this email. So now comes idea number
14. Greeting card making or bouquet making competition. Students can make greeting cards for their teacher, hold it in their hand and send it to the teacher by clicking a photo on any social media platform. You can show your creativity by doing the greeting card competition, and if many students do it, then teacher will also see how creative the students are and how much love the students have for her.
Yes, this is another cool idea and it is a great idea too. You can refer Arty Crafty channel for many greeting cards and bouquet making ideas and gift for your teachers. So now comes the last and a very exciting idea for Teachers Day to celebrate virtually. So here is the idea number 15.
Singing. You can do solo singing or group singing for your teachers this Teachers Day. We did the similar idea last year also, but the song we shared last year was totally different than this year's. So make sure you check that video also.
Link will be in the description and also in the I section above. So now comes a very different and unique song for teachers which we have made. So here it is. दिल चाहता है, दिल चाहता है, कभी ना बीते चमकीले दिन. दिल चाहता है, हम अपने स्कूल में फिर से जाए. दिल चाहता है, हम ना रहे कभी यारों के बिन. दिन दिन भर हो स्कूल में मस्ती, पढ़ाई भी हो और प्रैक्टिकल्स भी. टीचर्स के साथ हम सॉल्व करें हर प्रॉब्लम. दिल चाहता है हम अपने स्कूल में फिर से जाएं. Happy Teachers Day!
Wasn't this a beautiful song?
Yes.
Yes. So, did you like this song? You can create your own song by writing your own words in any of the English or Hindi songs tune, and you can create your personalized song for this Teachers Day. Your teachers will surely like it.
And she will be indeed surprised also. And this is really a beautiful gift which you can give. You can sing in chorus or solo also.
Yes. So friends, how do you find this video? Comment down below, and which idea did you like and which idea you are going to try this Teachers Day. Comment that also. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.
Till then, take care. Bye-bye. And a happy Teachers Day to all the teachers.